2023, 4:03 p.m. I'm in Rusk County at Sobieski Flowage, which is off Highway M in Rusk County. This is the map. It's the intersection of M and Skinner Creek Road. That's the lake. I just tried fishing and I caught a decent sized sunfish. In the water. Attention Sobieski users, due to wave erosion and possibly of the dam failing, be doing a rip wrap project on the dam phase. To complete the project, the flowage was drawn down. After the project is complete, it will be filled as soon as possible. Flambeau River State Forest Headquarters. Through my northern baits,